Hi everyone, this is Sean Heidemann. I'm a real estate broker here in the Phoenix, Arizona area. Today I was working with a client. We're going through the inspection process with a property that they're looking at purchasing. And so they wanted to know if it was better to ask the seller for a price reduction or if to ask the seller to make the repairs. And I told them that basically it's always better to ask for the price reduction when you're getting a loan. And so I put together this analysis for them, and I just wanted to share it with everyone as well. So this is my amortization table. Some of you have probably seen it in some of my previous videos, but you put the purchase price in here. This is the agreed upon purchase price before the inspection period. They're putting 10% down. So they do have a little bit of money that they could probably pay for the repairs out of their own pocket. Interest rate that's fixed are locked in at 6.75%. They're getting a 30-year loan. And this amortization table shows the schedule for principal and interest payments. So over here on this side, I put in the total interest that they'd pay over the life of the loan, which you can see right here. And so we're going to be asking for a $10,000 price reduction for the repairs. This property needed quite a few repairs to it. And oh, I put 270 instead of 370. So 370, so that changes the price here. As you can see, 444,539 is the difference here with the negotiated purchase price and the price that we're going to try to get a price down to. The interest over the life of the loan, they would save $12,000. With the down payment difference between 380 and 370, it's not a whole lot of a difference. It's only $1,000. And their payment wise, they're only saving about $58 a month. But when you look at it on an annual basis, it's $701. And then if you look at it for the life of their loan, they'd be saving $21,000 in payments. So there's a total savings of roughly $34,000 just by asking the seller to make a price reduction. So if you are going through the inspection process and the property that you're planning on buying has a lot of repairs, you should definitely ask the seller for a price reduction if you're getting a loan. If you're purchasing all cash, it doesn't make a whole lot of a difference because there's no loan and there's no real savings, so it's a wash between you and the seller. But most people purchase properties with a loan, and so this analysis proves it. I hope this was beneficial. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel below. And also in the description of the video, I have down there my social media, my contact information as well. So please stay tuned for the next video. Thanks for watching.